Hey guys, let me get up. I'm upstairs working at the life of today. We're gonna find some fun videos. We got the eel one. I wanted the TR one.
Expedia helps you find the right time to book.
And here's where the words emerge, they start to dance around. They pair up with another set, and that makes a new sound. Now let's play together as we add those pairs together, and we'll start off with the diphthong pair. Add the other sounds right there, the diphthong sounding quite astounding. Dance!
Sauce, sauce. Pause, pause. Haul, haunt. Haunt, jaunt. Launch, cause, cool, clause, sausage, laundry, sauce, pause. I can write, I can read. A and U is what I need. A and U make ah.
Now reading can be easy when you join on in with me, and we have used the diphthong pair sound part. We add the other sounds to start, the diphthong sounding quite astounding. Dance!
Phonics Garden. Join us for more. Hello, kid.
And here's an eel one.
Hello, kids. Let's learn about word families and rhyming words. Let's read some words with rhyming sounds. Eel is the rhyme that I found. E-E-L makes eel every time. Let's read some words that make some little rhymes. Let's read some words that make some little rhymes. Let's rhyme the eel words now today. Eel is the sound that they say. Feel and heal and kill is the rhyme. Feel, heal, kill. Let's read some words with rhyming sounds. Eel is the rhyme that I found. E-E-L makes eel every time. Let's read some words that make some little rhymes. Let's read some words that make some little rhymes. Let's rhyme the eel words now today. Eel is the sound that they say. Kneel and peel and reel is the rhyme. Kneel, peel, reel. Let's read some words with rhyming sounds. Eel is the rhyme that I found. E-E-L makes eel every time. Let's read some words that make some little rhymes. Let's read some words that make some little rhymes. Let's rhyme the eel words now today. Eel is the sound that they say. Steal and wheel and feel is the rhyme. Steal, wheel, feel. Let's read some words with rhyming sounds. Eel is the rhyme that I found. E-E-L makes eel every time. Let's read some words that make some little rhymes. Let's read some words that make some little rhymes. Let's rhyme the eel words now today. Eel is the sound that they say. Heel and kneel and peel is the rhyme. Heel, kneel, peel. Let's read some words with rhyming sounds. Eel, eel, eel is the rhyme that I found. E-E-L makes eel every time. Let's read some words that make some little rhymes. Let's read some words that make some little rhymes. Let's rhyme the...
Okay, but this is gonna be too long, so I don't have time for that. So, just you know what? Let's just say rock for short. They know what to do.
Rock and learn.
Yeah.
The letter T makes the sound t, t, t. And the letter R makes the sound er. If we put T and R together, they make the sound ter. T-R train, train. T-R track, track. T-R trash, trash. T-R truck, truck. T-R tree, tree. T-R trip, trip. T-R treasure, treasure. T-R trunk, trunk. T-R treat, treat. T-R tray, tray. Great job! Now, see if you can read these words before me or along with me. These words have the letters T-R at the beginning.
Trail.
Trail. Trail.
Tram.
Tram. Tram.
Trap.
Trap. Trap.
Trench.
Trench. Trench.
Trend.
Trend. Trend.
Trim.
Trim. Trim.
Tribe.
Tribe. Tribe.
Trick.
Trick. Trick.
Trod.
Trod. Trod.
Trot.
Trot. Trot.
Troop.
Troop. Troop.
True.
True. True.
Trust.
Trust. Trust.
Truth.
Truth. Truth.
Try.
Try. Try.
Please.